Can you guess where I am?
We are in the woods. Yay! Mommy's on camera.
I just did a funny face for you guys. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, next video we're going to be on the hill again because did you like our hill? Oh, don't fall!
Oh, what do we have here?
So, we have an animal trap.
Animal
It
trap.
might startle you guys, but ready?
Oh, what happened?
We just set off the trap.
And what's the rock for?
The rock's to make sure the animals don't get out because one time the animal got out, the door was closed.
Oh, well, the animal didn't even get trapped because it looks like it leaned over to
And
get the
this one,
bread.
the first one is.
Well, let's check the other ones.
Okay, this one's higher up. But,
Maybe this animal wasn't as smart.
yeah, not smart animal.
Ah! All right, put your arm back in. You're going to be cold. Get those sleeves up. Perfect.
I have this. That's not a golf ball, Mommy. That is like an onion thing. Show the viewers.
Ew. Oh, it's so pretty back here.
I know, it's such a beautiful. Look at
Such
all
a
the
beautiful
trees.
sight.
Show me.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Wait, there's work trap.
Where I thought you were going to trap over here. No?
No, we moved it.
Okay.
And you guys want to see something called a mine dome?
What's
Where
that?
Where's this fun shit? Oh, it's over there. There we go. Nothing. The bread's gone again.
Oh, nothing in the bread's gone. Well, let's not get back there. Well, let's get back before Mom and Papa wonder where you are.
Well, we're going to go make another video on the hill.
All right, sounds good. Like and subscribe. Bye.